So moving forward, we are going to spot drill these holes, these ones also. Then we're gonna go with the peck drilling. So here into this section, you just go and drill, and here you can select one or more entities to add or remove. So we have to select the holes. So we are selecting here one by one. Make sure the inside highlights, then click. And we are done. We're gonna press OK. We're going to drill. For the tool, we can go and filter, select the spot drill. Here we have a spot drill. I'm going with 1/2 inch spot drill, as you guys can see. Then in cut parameters, I want the normal drill, just goes all the way down, like goes here. Spot drill comes back. So we are working with 3 axes. We don't have to touch anything else. So over here we have clearance, go on absolute, absolute, absolute. And in drilling, we have to go with incremental on the depth. So we can change the value for clearance, 200 thou, retract 300 thou. So for the top of the strokes is this, and the depth. So we will let Mastercam calculate how deep the spot drill should go for that hole. So we're gonna click on depth calculator, this one, and here the hole is of 201 thou diameter. So we want smaller than that, like 170. Then add to depth, click OK, and just turn it on. Calculate depth from top of the line, OK. And then we will see with backplot, you can see tool will come, you spot it, and goes up, and it's gonna do to all other holes too. So we're gonna do same to this one. And if we want to check the diameter of the hole, just click on home, click on dynamic, and you click inside. You can see here is 386. So it is 386. The other way you can check it, just click on home, analyze entity, and click on the edge. You will see 386. So we're gonna right click and drag it down, copy after, open the dialog box, and go on parameters, go again on the top. We want to drill, we can deselect all and select everything new. We want this section, this, and this last hole. We're gonna click OK. For the tool, we're gonna go with same spot drill. So cut parameters, we're going with drilling, normal drilling. Make sure you have 3 axes. Linking parameter, so now we have to make this 0, and we have to click over here. We have to see, we have to change the, we have 386 is the maximum, we want to go up to 380. So add to depth, OK, click and regenerate it, and run the backplot. You can see gonna do nice spot drilling on all 4 holes. So now it's time to drill these holes and these holes. Spotting is done. Now we're gonna go for the drilling. So we'll go on toolpath, drill. Actually what we can do is just cancel it. This is our operation. We can right click over there, drag it down, copy after, we can open it. So we have already geometry is already selected. All we have to do is go in the tool section, click on filter, just click on drill. We want only drill, then select library tool. So we are looking for 201. Drill. So we have this drill, click OK. Then on cut parameters we are going on peck drilling, so it will go like comes here, goes back, then comes here, goes back, comes here, goes back. Like at one time it's gonna take 60,000, so that's fine. So make sure your axis is 3 axis, limits are nothing to do with that. Linking parameters here, absolute. You have to click on the top, and over here we can turn it off. We can go with absolute, and the depth we want is this one. And here we go in tip compensation. We have to turn it on so that this tip, instead of just going up to here and coming back, it should go more, so that because of this angle we don't have any material left over here. So we have to add some value. I'll add 50,000 breakthrough amount. The normal tip angle is fine. This is default value, don't change it, just change the number. How this is number how far it will go the hole, to make if there is any chips or anything at the end of the hole to go away. Then in the plane everything is fine. I'll regenerate it. We can see it just start over here and ends over here. Perfect, nice. We can see in peck drilling. So it goes, comes back. So we can see on the other end. So just past that, so we are fine with that. So now we will go and machine the rest of those 4 holes. So this was the spotting geometry. We're gonna click over here, right click, drag and drop, copy after, go in parameters, then go in tool. We have to go in drill, okay, select library tool. We are going for 386 diameter, here it is, click OK. Cut parameter, we are going for the peck drilling, so we are going for the 3 axis. For the linking parameters, so absolute, so top is here and we have to turn it off. The depth is here. So we are turning tip compensation on. We'll go with 50,000. So plane and coolant is fine. Click OK and let's regenerate it. And it's gonna start over here and end over here.